This video is sponsored by Squarespace.
This is the foundation to the chimney that used to be in the house. So I already kind of hit it with the sledgehammer some and knocked some off, but it's solid concrete. Luckily it's not reinforced with any kind of steel, so busting it apart is not impossible, but I don't want to just wail on it with a sledgehammer only.
I feel like I can do anything.
I think I just want to kind of ease back into the project, not do anything too strenuous, and maybe just sweep some stuff up. What's that? Yeah, what's that noise? What is that? Oh, is that you? I can't hear you all the way down there. I'm trying to work, man. You gotta quit bothering me. Yeah, I've got a sponsor for the video. It's
Squarespace.
What about it? A little disappointed about how things have been going lately. I don't blame you. Yeah, I think it's obvious. I really don't have your best interest in mind. I don't need to take a closer look. I can see it. You're thinning. Look around you. God, man, you're hitting the nail right on the head. The girl blocks aren't going to be into this at all. This is what they want. Your mom is a liar. The girls are not going to like that. You believed your mom when she said that girls were into this? Dude,
Squarespace.
This revolutionized the way men
Build websites.
do you want me to get some of that expanding demolition foam everybody keeps telling me about in the comments below? Drop it! Well, yeah. Oh, look at that. You wish you could put a little
And
on there. Yeah, I get it. You're a concrete block. You can't go to the doctor for this problem. What's it got to do with...
Squarespace.
It's for men!
And women.
They deal with men!
And women!
Of course they offer great deals. Yeah, scientifically proven. Oh, ain't got no internet? Ain't gonna be. Ball. Is that true? I don't believe it. Hello everyone, we are in the basement.
While the air is clearing up, I want to remind you that I have an ebook, link in the description below, about how to buy cheap houses just like this one. I go into all the ways that I can possibly think of using houses that I have purchased as examples of how to locate inexpensive houses to purchase for renovation to live in, rent, or sell. Whatever it is you want to do, you can do it. It's not that hard. You just need to have a little bit of money and a lot of motivation.
We're going for it.
Seventh grade science class, ladies and gentlemen. Excuse me. There's my size 15 shoe. It's humongous. What have I done? Gosh, got too much to lose.
Squarespace gives people a powerful and beautiful online platform from which to create your website. Be among the growing community of makers and creatives who choose Squarespace to express their creative visions. Squarespace has the tools you need to get your business off the ground, including e-commerce templates, inventory management, a simple checkout process, and secure payments. Whatever you sell, Squarespace has the merchandising features to make your products look their best online. Every design automatically includes a unique mobile experience that matches the overall style of your website, so your content will look great on every device, every time. If desired, you can disable the mobile view from your website manager. Go to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/homemadehome to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Thanks again to Squarespace for sponsoring this video.